Hey, SamR here, and welcome to SyndRanker. This is a new software that allows you to syndicate your content from your blog or from YouTube or whatever you have an RSS feed for across a whole bunch of different accounts and all over the internet. So if we go into accounts and add account, you can have a quick look and see just sort of the depth of the things that you can post to. We've got Facebook, we've got LinkedIn, we've got Twitter, we've got Google+, we've got Blogger, Tumblr, and all sorts. So when you do post to your blog or you upload a new YouTube video, it's going to automatically post it across all of these social networks. Now this is a really good way to be able to share your content, drive more traffic back to your original blog post, and as we know, when you have traffic, you can either turn that traffic into leads, or you can even turn it into sales if you have a sales page or affiliate offers on that page as well. So with that said, I'm going to get Neil from the SyndRanker team to be able to give you a full walkthrough and demonstrate exactly how you can use the blog posting and also be able to post it to social media and hook up your RSS feeds and things like that. So with that said, we'll get this demo started. We'll talk again soon.
Hey there, Neil Napier here, and welcome to the demonstration of SyndRanker. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up multiple different social media accounts, how you can hook in your RSS feed automatically, with which all the content will go out either based on a schedule if you choose, or immediately whenever it is posted online. And this is a great way to build up your social signals as well as build up your backlinks in your business completely on autopilot. Now the very first thing that you have to do when you jump in is set up your account. So if I jump in here, you'll see that at the moment these are the different accounts that we have set up. If you want to add a new one, simply go to add account, and you can search by different types of account types, for example social media, bookmarking, image sharing, video sharing. But in this case, you have multiple different options depending on the level that you're getting access to. So with the main offer, you're getting access to 15 apps, and with the upgrade you will have more. So pick one of these networks, and when you do that, you will then be able to syndicate content to these different places. So to do that, all you have to do is go to one of these. So I can go to Twitter, click on add new. You have to put in your Twitter details. We covered training already in here to show you how to do all of that, and your Twitter will be hooked. Same thing with the Blogger, put your details here, you're good to go. Similarly with Google+, put your details here and you are good to go. So it is very easy to connect your accounts to SyndRanker so we can post on your behalf whenever a new post goes out. And here's exactly how that happens. You can go in and create your campaign here. So I'm going to jump in and add a new campaign. So let's go here and create a new campaign. As long as you have a WordPress blog or any other blog that gives you an RSS feed, or even a YouTube channel, you can use that RSS feed to syndicate content. So I have an RSS feed that we have created from here, from InstaSuite, from one of our blogs. I'm just going to grab that and I'll start posting. There we go. So I have my RSS feed now. I'm going to go ahead and start posting this. I could schedule this, or I could just post it instantaneously. I'm going to show you schedule in a couple of minutes. But if I want to schedule this instantaneously, I could say let's select all, and these are the accounts that I have integrated so far, and let's save new campaign. So this campaign is now saved. I have linked in 10 accounts, and I haven't posted anything yet on this blog. I mean, I have before, but since I've added this, I haven't posted anything yet. And if you see, it says instant. So as soon as a blog post goes out, within a few minutes, it will be syndicated to multiple different channels out there. And you can also go and do the scheduling. So if I jump back into add campaign, there, I could in this case choose to schedule. So let's select all and schedule. And this is really cool, because this really makes the basically blinking organic. So I could choose that for Tumblr, I want it to happen, say, after 2 days and 2 hours and 2 minutes. For Plurk, I want it to happen instantaneously. So I'll just put in 0. For Delicious, I want it to happen after 2 hours. So this way, all the links that are going out, they seem more organic, and that's a good thing for you to do. And when you're done with all these details, simply go ahead and save the campaign. So in this case, because I don't need 2 campaigns of the same kind, I'm just going to delete one so there are no overwrites. And this is the campaign now that we're working with. I'm just going to jump on over to my InstaSuite blog and create a new blog post. So let me just go ahead and put something like And let me grab the content for this and I'll put that in here. So there we go. I have, let me just say SyndRanker feature. Okay, so I have this little blog post that I put up. I can of course hyperlink it and do whatever I want to, as I would with a normal WordPress blog post or a blog post inside of InstaSuite. I can put in some SEO titles as well, say something like all these sorts of things. And once I'm happy with it, let's publish. So now I'm going to publish this. The post has been published. If I go back to all posts, you'll be able to see it from here. The post has been published. If I go look at it, you'll see that it also exists on this blog. Now, this is all well and good. What happens next is really powerful. Within a few minutes, as soon as the RSS feed goes live, we will be able to pick it up and automatically syndicate it across to multiple different social media channels. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll bring you back once it's ready. It's only going to take a couple of minutes or so, depending again on how fast your RSS feed is. Okay, so let's see where we are with this. Let's reload, and perfect. Number of posts is 1, which means it has gone out. And remember, this is instantaneous. So if I jump on into reports now, I'll see that, okay, this one has just gone out a few minutes ago. Let's look at the report. Perfect. Let's go and click this one. When we do that, there you can see the post has in fact gone out. And if I click here, I can read it in full. This is basically what we can send to Tumblr. And the other sources as well, Delicious. And I think there's also the Facebook group where the post has gone out. Let's see. Okay, this one needs me to log into Facebook. Although there we go, in the group itself, you can see now this has in fact gone out. So this has, again, this links goes back to the blog post. So if I click here, this actually goes back to the blog post as well, driving more traffic from social media as well as from different networks, 2.0 properties, video properties, image-based properties where it's all set up. So if I look at this one as well, okay. There we go. So it also goes out there. In some cases, the text is truncated because of how much text we can actually send out. But this is essentially what SyndRanker contains. That there's complete training. If you click on training, you'll be taken to this entire training, which shows you how to integrate everything. So if you get lost, you can go through that training. And if you schedule anything, any kind of post, then it gives you an idea of what's already scheduled for future. So if you want to cancel that, you can go ahead and do that in this case as well. This is how easy it is to operate SyndRanker. There's detailed reporting available. So if you want to use this for clients, you can give them this detailed reporting. You can simply download this in CSV format or Excel format, and you can give that to your clients as well.